All right, guys, so let's get started with our very, very basic step. Here we go. So put all your weight on your right foot, lift up your left leg. Now slowly tap your left foot. Remain with the majority, actually all of your weight's going to be on your right foot. So slowly, let's go over the basic step. So we go to the left, we go step, 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 tap. To the right, step, 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 tap. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, stop here. Now we're going to go into our next basic. So we're going to go tap, tap. 1, 2, transfer, tap. Again. From the left, we go 1, 2, 3, tap. Other side, 5, 6, 7, repeat. Tap, tap, shift the weight together. Tap, tap, shift the weight. Basic, 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 basic. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, tap, second basic, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, now down, up. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, repeat, and we go. Bend, up, bend and tap, bend and tap, back to basic. 1. We're going to repeat number 3, down, up. Here we go. 5, 6, down, up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to basic, and 1, 2, 3. Now let's go over our basic turn, and then we're going to combine everything. So basic turn starts like this. 1, parallel. 2, step with the right. Now very important that on the 3, do not go back this way. You want your left foot to come over here, just like this. 3, tap. Let's go over that again, just the basic turn. A little bit faster so you can kind of get the motion. 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap. Try it again. 7, and left, right, left, tap, basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, turn. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, basic. 5. Now we're going to try the turn to the right. Half a basic. 1, 2, turn to the right. Go right, left, right, tap, left. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's combine it from the very top. Basic, ready, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. Tap, tap, number 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to basic, basic, basic. 1. Now we're going to do number 3, which is down, up. Number 3, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to basic, and we go. 1. Now the last one, left turn, followed by a right turn. One more basic in between. Basic. 1, 2, 3. You're going to do a left turn, followed by a right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, reverse, 5, 6, basic, basic, 1. We're going to do 2 more turns to finish it off. Here we go. And 1, 2, reverse, 5, 6, basic, 1, 2, a little bit faster, 5, 6, basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, tap number 2, and 1, 2, 3, back to basic, basic, 1. This time just 1 set. Number 2, down, up, and 1, 3, 5. Back to basic. I'm sorry, that was number 3. Now the turn. Here we go. 1, 2, reverse. One more time for good luck. Here we go. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Number 2, tap, tap, go. 1, 2, 3. Back to basic, basic, E. 1. Number 3, down, up, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to básico. 1. Finish with the turn, left, followed by your right. 1, 2, reverse. 5, 6, basic, E. 1, 2, 3, and stop right there. Awesome job, everybody. Just feel free to rewind this and do this as much as possible until you really feel really comfortable with the foundational basic steps.